My name is Maiko Moreno. I come from Venezuela. I came here 5 years ago to get a quality life, a better life, to open my own business. I am an automotive mechanic. When I was younger, when I was used to little kid, I was with my dad, and always he was fixing his own car, and I was just looking around and playing with his tools and his wrenches, and I think that's pushing me to work in the cars and the vehicles. I opened my own business with my brother-in-law. We was running a shop. I made Dr. Shop because he did a really good job with my uncle.
He came to me with a gunshot wound on his face. A customer refused to pay for his services, and they got into an argument, and someone accompanying his customer decided to pull out a gun and shoot at him.
So the bullet blew out 7 teeth and all the top of my gum.
When he went to the hospital, they had taken out the teeth that were affected and then closed the site up. The damage had happened not just to the teeth, but also had taken out a part of his jaw along with it.
I take the decision to close the shop because I can handle it myself. Basically, I lost everything. I come back to my mother-in-law house. I was living there with my wife. The bullet make a lot of damage inside, especially in the top of my mouth and the gum. The bullet broke everything.
When he got shot as a car mechanic, he found a job in the oil field, and he continued. And he constantly felt like, he wanted to give himself a second chance. There's a lot of other values that I see in him that resemble my upbringing. Being an immigrant, working hard to provide for your family, and not letting anything get you down, and carrying on.
If I can, I want to get my shop again. It's my job. This is that I know how to do it, fix cars. So if I have the possibilities, I want to open my shop again.
So I received an email from the Strawman group introducing for the Let Them Shine program, and I immediately thought that I have someone like this who cannot afford the services that would change his life, and I decided to apply for him.
When Dr. Shaw calls and let us know the program, my wife was screaming too. She said it's a big bless. When I go to his office, I give it to him a really big hug. Thank you, my friend. I love you. Thank you for your help, man.
And I remember that visit very vividly because he hugged me at least 3 or 4 times. And it was just, you could clearly see that he now finally felt that he didn't have to worry about his surgery and his parts, and that he's going to be taken care of. Even to live right now just makes a huge difference. Yeah, it's out. Yeah.
When I get to the procedure and he installed me all these my new teeth, and I look at me in the mirror, I said, I feel like I come back to myself. When I wake up and to start my day and look at me in the mirror, I'm gonna brush my teeth and I feel happy because I smile in the mirror and say, oh, everything is there, looks good. And I just clean my teeth happy because everything looks well. And I enjoy when I have to eat because I have teeth and I can buy the food. In the past, I have to cut the food in little pieces and figure it out on what side of my mouth put it on to eat better. So now I can eat like the regular way. And my wife, Angela, was so happy because when she looked at me and smiled again, she said that, hey, this is the smile I remember. All that I can say is thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Really appreciate it, deep on my heart and my soul. All the people is making that possible. That changed me a lot. Believe it or not, that changed my life a lot.